Hello boys, how are you? Good morning. I hope you will be fine. Now, today our topic 2.2, that is microorganisms. First of all, what is microorganism? Any organism that we can't see our naked eyes, we can see only these organisms with microscope. That is called microorganism. There are many types of this, but in our book we will discuss here three types of microorganisms. Number one, bacteria. Bacteria are found everywhere. Okay, and bacteria you can see in the photograph. This and this is a photograph that is you can see in the soil. Okay, and these are too small, even it is much smaller than the human cells that in our body, the cell in our body. These bacteria also smaller than the cells of our body. And some bacteria are good for us and some bacteria are dangerous. Okay, after this bacteria we have microscopic fungi. Many kinds of fungi, for example, mushroom and toadstools are large fungi that we can see our naked eyes, but some are microscopic fungi that we can't see with our naked eyes. We must have a microscope to see the microscopic fungi. Here in this picture, you can see this is a group of yeast cells seen through microscope. We can see with our naked eye. If we look carefully, we can see little buds growing out of some of cells. And this is show that how they produce. Now after that, the fungi, after fungi, we have single called algae and protozoa. Single cell mean it has only one cell. Okay, if we are able to look some pond water under the microscope, we will see many tiny living organisms in the water. Some of them are tiny plants like organisms called algae, and some of them are one called animal that is called protozoa. And these all, some have big size, we can see our naked eye, but microscopic, that is too small, that we must have a microscope to see that. Even some germs that we can't see with our eye, for example, when we eat food, we look our hand, we see that our hands are clean. Okay, but even some germs on our hands. Because of this, when we eat something, when the food reach in our stomach we have hydrochloric acid that kill these germs. Okay, many things that we can see with our eye, but germs and bacteria and other microscopic living organism we can't see with our naked eye, that we must have a microscope to see them. Okay, boys, this is our topic about microorganisms. You must be wise. See you next time.